Red clover, balancing hormones and soothing menopause. Introduction. Menopausal symptoms are a normal part that every woman experiences, generally occurring between age of 45 to 55. In this period, the reproductive system of a woman is undergoing significant changes that lead to a reduction in the production of estrogen. The hormonal changes can cause a variety of emotional and physical symptoms like hot flashes of sweat, night sweats, as well as mood swings and insomnia. Nature has also provided the possibility of a remedy, the red clover. In this post, we'll explore the advantages of the red clover for managing hormones and easing menopausal symptoms. What is red clover? Red clover, Trifolium pratense, is a perennially flowering plant belonging to the family of legumes. It is native to Europe, Western Asia, as well as Northwest Africa. Red clover can be found across the globe. It is renowned for its bright floral blooms and trifoliate leaves. Red clover and hormonal balance. The red clover is a source of phytoestrogens. They are plants-derived compounds that replicate the hormone effects in the human body. The compounds are known as isoflavones, namely daidzein and genistein, have estrogenic qualities. Consumed, they are able to bind with estrogen receptors, aiding in balancing hormone levels within the body. The balancing effect may help alleviate the menopausal symptoms. Soothing menopausal symptoms. 1. Hot flashes and night sweats. Night sweats and hot flashes are typical symptoms that occur in menopausal women. The red clover plant has been proven to decrease the intensity and frequency of these signs. An article that was published in the journal Climacteric demonstrated that the supplementation with red clover significantly reduced the intensity of hot flashes for women who are menopausal. 2. Mood swings and emotional well-being. Menopausal symptoms are often associated with mood swings as well as emotional disturbances. The isoflavones in the red clover plant have been proven to have a positive effect on mood and well-being. They may help reduce the stress, anxiety, and depression that are common in this phase of our lives. 3. Sleep disturbances. Sleep disturbances and insomnia occur frequently in women who are menopausal. The red clover could aid improve sleep quality through regulating hormone imbalances and decreasing symptoms such as sweating during the night, which could frequently interfere with sleep. 4. Bone health. Menopausal estrogen deficiency could result in a decline in bone density as well as the risk of developing osteoporosis. The estrogenic qualities of red clover aid in decreasing bone loss and increasing bone health. Additionally, it can aid in the prevention of fractures as well as maintaining the overall strength of the skeletal system. Other health benefits of red clover. 1. Cardiovascular health. Red clover has been believed to provide cardiovascular advantages. Isoflavones in it may aid in lowering LDL cholesterol levels as well as improving general heart health. But further research is required to determine a direct connection between the two. 2. Skin health. Extracts of red clover are widely utilized in products for skincare because of their advantages for skin. Isoflavones found in red clover could provide anti-aging benefits, aiding to maintain skin elasticity as well as reduce the look of wrinkles as well as wrinkles. 3. Anti-cancer properties. Initial studies indicate the possibility that red clover has properties that fight cancer, specifically for cancers related to hormones like prostate and breast cancer. But more studies are needed to confirm the effectiveness of red clover in the prevention of cancer and its treatment. Potential precautions and side effects. Although red clover is typically thought to be safe when taken in small amounts, however, it can cause adverse effects for some people. This includes nausea, headaches, and itching. People who have a history of hormonally sensitive conditions like breast cancer must talk to their doctor prior to taking red clover supplements. Conclusion. The red clover plant, which has phytoestrogenic qualities, is an effective natural method of balance hormones and ease menopausal signs. It is a safe and well-tolerated option for hormonal replacement therapy for a lot of women. It is crucial to keep in mind that the individual's experiences can differ, so seeking advice from a medical professional is recommended prior to beginning any new supplements. Utilizing natural remedies such as the red clover may aid in a more comfortable menopausal transition and better general well-being.